I'm gonna unbox, or in this case unbag. It's like a kit for felting, needle felting. So I've not tried needle felting before, but what I want to try and do is combine needle felting and embroidery. So this is the Crafty Kit company, and they had a sale on for Black Friday, and I think this was a half price bundle. So let's see what we've got. We've got a little booklet which I will definitely need. Looks like something they've produced themselves. Looks good. So I'm not going to be entirely sure what everything is, but hopefully we've got everything we need to start. That was the selling point. So we've got some sharp felting needles. So I don't know if you can see through the bag, but they are not normal needles. Got this little block which I believe you do your felting on. That is a nice felt material. It all came in a little jute bag, so I'm going to start putting things back in there so I don't lose anything. Your guide to felting needles. These top quality felting needles are made in Germany by Grossbeckert, a specialist needle manufacturer. All these needles are colour coded with a painted crank to help you identify them among your felting supplies. Ooh, okay. And this is a description of the type of needle, the number, the weight, and what I think they're going to be used for. This, not sure. I think perhaps you put your needle in there. We'll learn as we go along. Needle felting templates. A rainbow, which would be quite nice. But I feel like maybe you could use cookie cutters. Biscuit shapes. We have some little pins, some brooch backs, so it might be nice to make brooches, and some keyring chains. Sorry if that was too noisy. Keyring chains, pins, brooch backs. And then we have our core colours. We've got a creamy white, and a big bag of mixed colours. So one of the things I was hoping to do is an embroidered landscape of sort of flowers at the front, and then going into a backdrop of maybe a sunset, which would be needle felted. So I could definitely do that with my stock pack of colours here. Other things I'd quite like to do is the Northern Lights and sort of a starry sky, so I definitely need some different kinds of wool for those. All in all, I think that's a good starter pack.